Good morning. Welcome to Share Market Mike. Thank you for your time. In today's video, we will see some of the stocks that may be in focus or news for tomorrow, Monday, June 7th. An important disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered advisor and the stocks shown in this video is for informational purpose only and not a recommendation for investment or trading. Before proceeding any further, if you like our videos, kindly support us by hitting the like, subscribe and share button. United States of America on Friday announced an aid of 57 million US dollars for countries affected by tuberculosis. They have identified 7 countries that includes India. So this aid may help some of the pharma companies in India. Delhi and Maharashtra are relaxing some of the lockdown rules. In Delhi, malls are allowed to open with restrictions on odd even basis. Private offices are allowed to work with a 50% capacity. In Maharashtra, in some of the districts, malls and theatres are allowed to open. So the malls and the theatre stocks may be in focus for tomorrow. In Tamil Nadu, there is an extension of lockdown by one more week, but there is a few relaxations allowed. The board of Jammu and Kashmir Bank Limited has approved the investment by the government of Jammu and Kashmir. By this approval, it is expected up to rupees 500 crores of investment from the government. So the equivalent number of shares would be allocated to the government. Welspun Corporation of Limited has got an approval from American Petroleum Institute. They have got the license to manufacture SAWH pipes. Force Motors have released the sales data for the month of May 2021. As per the release, the domestic sales is 1,306 vehicles total and the export sales is 154 vehicles. Porunju Veliath has bought shares of Iris Business Services in bulk deal on Friday. 1,24,000 shares were bought by Porunju Veliath at a price of 102.40 per share. Kranti Industries Limited had announced a bonus sometime back. They are providing one bonus if we had 5 shares as on record date, but the record date was announced in the weekend. 11th June is the record date. Axis Bank Limited has responded to a clarification request from the stock exchange. The stock exchange had asked a clarification from the Axis Bank regarding a news article that was published in Money Control. The article said that Axis Bank was going to buy Spandana Spurti Financial Limited. The Axis Bank Limited in response today has said that it is completely speculative in nature and the bank does not wish to comment on speculative matter. And the same Spandana Spurti Financial Limited also replied in the same manner. Zee Entertainment Enterprise Limited shares were sold by Integrated Core Strategies Asia Limited. 61,11,423 shares were sold. One share's price was 218.38. Shilpa Medicare shares were sold by Tano Mauritius India. They have reduced their stake from 6.11% to 2.43%. They sold 30 lakh shares in the open market on June 3rd. Hero MotoCorp have launched a new vehicle in Nigeria specifically customized for that region under the name Hunter. LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, have sold the shares of Modern Insulators in the bulk deal on Friday. 3,14,000 odd shares were sold at a price of 44.01 per share. Modern Insulators shares were bought by Rajasthan Global Securities Private Limited. They bought 3,06,874 shares at a price of rupees 44 per share. Punjab National Bank have announced their quarterly result. As per the report in Economic Times, the profit on a standalone basis is 586 crores. They had reported a loss of 697 crores in the same quarter previous year. On a sequential basis, the net profit was up by 16%. But the Economic Times also states that these comparisons are not correct because after April 1, 2020, two of the banks merged with Punjab National Bank. Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank of India were merged with PNB. NHPC has given us an update. They have incorporated a new company under the name Rattle Hydroelectric Power Corporation Limited. It is a joint venture between NHPC Limited and Jammu and Kashmir State Power Development Corporation Limited. Some of the companies that reported their quarterly result and also declared dividend, we'll quickly see the list. IOL Chemicals and Pharma recommended a final dividend of rupees 2 per share. They also said they were successful in setting up a new manufacturing facilities at a cost of 21.26 crores. Paisalo Digital Limited also announced their result and they have recommended a dividend of rupees 1 per share. Moil Limited has recommended a final dividend of rupees 4.90 per share. Asahi Songwan Colors also declared a dividend of rupees 3.50 per share. Some of the companies that may declare their results in the coming week: on June 7th, Union Bank of India, SMS Life Science, MRF, Central Bank, Mrs. Bector Foods, New India Assurance Company may declare their results. On June 8th, Petronet LNG, Shimaru Entertainment, Suven Pharma, Wonderla, Hester Bio. On June 9th, Team Lease Services, Bata India and Gale. June 10th, Tide Water Oil. Water Oil, they may also decide on the bonus and stock split on June 10th. Century Plyboard, Serra Sanitary Ware, Harrison's Malayalam, Mazagon Dock, NHPC, Ambika Cotton. On June 11, BEML, CG Power and Heranba. June 12, VRL Logistics, Care Ratings and JK Cement. With this, we have come to the end of the video. If you liked our videos, kindly support us. Thank you.